The Jeep Gladiator Rubicon is one of the most exciting off-road pickup trucks available in Australia. It combines the legendary capability of the Jeep Wrangler with the practicality of a dual-cab ute, making it an excellent choice for drivers who love adventure, camping, overlanding, and exploring Australia's toughest terrain. Today, we are taking a detailed look at why the Jeep Gladiator Rubicon has become a favourite among Australian 4WD enthusiasts. From the moment you see it, the Gladiator Rubicon demands attention. Its iconic 7-slot grille, removable doors and roof, muscular wheel arches, rugged pickup bed, and aggressive stance give it a unique appearance unlike any other ute on Australian roads. Finished in glossy metallic black, this heavily upgraded build looks even more intimidating with its 6-inch lift kit, matte black beadlock wheels, 40-inch mud terrain tires, heavy-duty bull bar, roof rack, snorkel, dual LED light bars, and premium off-road suspension. Under the bonnet, the Gladiator Rubicon is powered by a 3.6-litre Pentastar V6 petrol engine, delivering smooth power and dependable performance. Paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, it offers excellent control both on highways and on demanding off-road tracks. One of the Gladiator's biggest strengths is its legendary off-road capability. Jeep has equipped the Rubicon with heavy-duty Dana axles, front and rear locking differentials, an electronic front sway bar disconnect system, rock track 4-wheel drive, low-range gearing, and impressive ground clearance. These features allow the Gladiator to confidently tackle steep climbs, rocky trails, deep mud, river crossings, sandy beaches, and Australia's rugged outback. Australia offers endless opportunities for adventure, and the Gladiator Rubicon feels built for every one of them. Whether you're driving across Cape York, exploring the Simpson Desert, touring the Victorian High Country, or enjoying the Great Ocean Road, this pickup delivers confidence and capability wherever the road ends. Inside the cabin, you'll find a combination of rugged durability and modern comfort. Premium leather trim seats with Rubicon embroidery, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, durable materials, and generous cabin space make long journeys comfortable for both driver and passengers. Technology is equally impressive. The Gladiator Rubicon features a large Uconnect touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, satellite navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, multiple USB charging ports, premium audio, and a digital driver information display. These systems help keep you connected whether you're commuting through the city or traveling deep into remote areas. Safety remains a priority as well. Advanced driver assistance features include blind spot monitoring, adaptive cruise control, forward collision warning, autonomous emergency braking, rear cross traffic alert, front and rear parking sensors, reversing camera, electronic stability control, hill descent control, and multiple airbags. Together, these systems provide confidence both on and off the road. The Gladiator's cargo bed adds another level of practicality. It easily carries camping gear, recovery equipment, mountain bikes, surfboards, tools, or adventure supplies, making it an excellent companion for weekend escapes and long-distance touring across Australia. Another feature that makes the Gladiator Rubicon special is its incredible aftermarket support. Owners can personalize their vehicles with lift kits, roof tents, upgraded suspension, winches, beadlock wheels, lighting systems, and touring accessories, allowing every Gladiator to reflect its owner's lifestyle. Despite its serious off-road capability, the Gladiator remains comfortable during everyday driving. The elevated seating position provides excellent visibility, while the suspension delivers a stable ride on highways and country roads. For Australians looking for a pickup truck that combines genuine 4WD capability, open-air freedom, modern technology, and practical versatility, the Jeep Gladiator Rubicon is an outstanding option. Whether you're heading into the mountains, exploring the outback, towing a camper trailer, or simply enjoying Australia's incredible landscapes, this truck is built to take you further. Would you choose the Jeep Gladiator Rubicon over the Ford Ranger Raptor, Toyota Hilux GR Sport, Nissan Patrol Warrior, or Ford F-150? Let us know your favorite in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Australian 4WD reviews, off-road adventures, pickup trucks, SUVs, and premium automotive content every week. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next adventure.